Welcome to our vlog. We are at Puncak TARUKO.
Puncak TARUKO is located in West Sumatra, Agam Regency, Ampek Koto District, precisely near Sianok Canyon. FYI, the entrance ticket price is only 5,000 per person. In this video, we will review every part of this place. Without any further ado, let's check it out. There are lots of places to sit here. There are places to sit inside the huts, and there are also places under the trees. There are also stalls selling food and drinks. The prices of food and drinks are quite affordable. For those who want to vacation with a large family, it is very suitable with beautiful and calming views. In another part, there is a bridge that connects us to a place to sit while enjoying the view of the Sianok Canyon directly. And there is also another bridge to a good photo spot. In another part, there is a place to see the view more closely and clearly. And for those who like photos with a scenic background, this place is very suitable. This place is surrounded by hills and forests, which makes Puncak TARUKO a very beautiful tourist destination for nature lovers.
Maju,
I hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe you want to visit this beautiful place. Thank you and bye-bye.